Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Remitly app on your mobile device. If you're using an Android, basically go to the Google Play Store and download the app from there. But as I'm using an iPhone for this video, I'm going to show you how to download it through the iPhone App Store. So basically, if this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. Let's get into it. So I'm on my iPhone right here, I'm on the home screen, and you can see the App Store button in the middle of my home screen. You want to click in there, and then on the bottom right there's a search page, and at the top there's a slightly grayed out box. You want to press that and then start typing in Remitly. And from there press the search blue button on the bottom right, and that's going to bring a bunch of listings for you. Scroll down past the first advertisement to the first organic listing right here. That's the Remitly listing. And on the right hand side, there's a button that says Get, the GET button. If you press that, it will basically ask you to confirm. In my case, I'm going to confirm using Face ID, and you do that by double clicking the button on the right hand side of the device. Scans Face ID. Once it confirms, it will start downloading the Remitly app on your device, and you can see the progress of the download by a blue ring going around the circle on the top right. I'm going to come back once this has fully downloaded. So guys, as we can see, Remitly has downloaded on this device, and as we can basically press the open button from within the App Store, that's going to launch the app for us. Press open and just give it a little second to load the app successfully. Choose your language for Remitly. I'm going to select English. And there we go guys, we can see Remitly has fully successfully downloaded on this iPhone device, and it says send money worldwide. You can create a new profile, or you can press the I already have a profile button at the bottom to sign into your account and start using the Remitly app. If this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments section below. Thanks.